Howdy folks, I'm Mama Cass. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Today we are going to make some bath bombs. Okay, so that's 1.5 cups of bicarbonate of soda, half a cup of Epsom salts, half a cup of corn flour. I will sieve this because it's a third of a cup of SLSA powder. You don't have to add this, but it's one of my top tips for the best bath bombs you can get. So it's SLSA, sodium lauryl sulfonyl acetate powder. Hang on, otherwise known as bubble powder. I know pretty much roughly how much I can use. Bearing in mind I've still got citric acid to go in. A little bit of orange. We really don't want huge amounts of oil. Now I can add oil it quite like a bit because of the fact that I haven't got the citric acid in there yet. Cocamide propyl butane. Some of that in there. That also gives a bubbling agent. Tiniest squeeze of polysorbate 80. Aloe vera juice is ever so good for the skin. About 1¼ cup of citric acid. Ta-da! I'm just going to... There, we will put the bath bomb embeds in. What they do is make it spin around and all sorts. Pour everything. Decorate these on the front to be even cuter. It is. It's a cat with a fish, look. Oh my gosh, so cute. The batch was a little bit... Wow. Wow, look at that. I wouldn't buy them otherwise. Wow. That's outstanding. I'm going to do another batch. Wow. That's fabulous, isn't it? Thanks for joining me, guys. Much love. Breathe easy, folks. So you can see